It's our final day today. Congratulations everyone for making it through the 5 weeks. I truly hope that you continue to do strength training to continue to see those gains that you've seen within the last few weeks. So we are going to get started. Let's just start with walking. And we are on legs today, so it is good to make sure that you do a proper warm-up before. We are just gonna do a mini warm-up, as you know, for this one. Let's just bring the arms back and forth to stretch those arms out. So we are starting on the floor today. We're gonna be starting with our plank, and we are aiming to do 75 seconds. I know. So if it's too long, you just stop when you need to. But I wanted to make it a bit longer today just because if you do continue the workouts after this week, you will eventually get up to that 75 seconds. So I just wanted to have that time there. Whenever you do stop today, you can choose to do Kegels while you're waiting for us to finish. And eventually you will get there. So let's just take a nice deep breath in, bring the arms overhead, and breathing out. Good. Okay, let's just do some high knees, just stretching those legs up. One more on each side. Excellent. Let's go to the wall, open up those hips. And one more. And then just bringing that leg forward and stretching it back. So taking your time here. And one more. And then switching to the other side. So just opening up the hip first. And then just stretching the leg forward and back. Good. Okay, let's get onto the floor for our plank. Hopefully your arms aren't too tired from yesterday. And again, do what you can. So during that plank too, if you feel like you need a break, just bring your knees down and then bring them back up. So it'll give you that bit of a break and then you can continue on. So I'll give you a few more seconds just to get ready. Okay, so I'll count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing those knees up, and let's start. That's 5. 10. 15. 20. 25. 30, 35, 40, 45. So bring those knees down if you need to. You can always bring them back up again. That's 50. 60, 65, 70, 5 more seconds. And that's 75. Excellent, bringing the knees down, coming up out of that one. Good job for those of you who tried it. And so you'll just, each time you'll just try and go a little bit longer. So whatever you did, that's awesome just for trying it. So we're going to get into a seated position. We're going to be doing the ab twists. So just take some nice deep breaths here. Okay, we're ready? So leaning back to whatever is comfortable for you, we're just going to bring the arms from one side to the other. Ready? So concentrating on keeping your abs and your core tight. So just going back and forth. So flexing the abs. So just go as long as you can. Come out of it if you need to. If your back is sore at all, you can just sit up and then go back into it. If your back is causing you any pain, then definitely stop. Okay, for those who are still with me, we are going to start punching. So just punch from one side to the other. Ensuring that you're breathing. Let's do 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Sitting up. Good. Okay, so we are going to go into the side raises and the circles. So going onto your side when you're ready. And you can use ankle weights. Some people have mentioned that they have ankle weights. If you feel you need more out of this exercise, you can definitely use ankle weights. Okay, we ready? So let's bring that leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and taking a tiny bit of a break. And when you're ready, let's bring that leg back up and circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if you can, switch that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relaxing that leg. And when you're ready, we're going to switch to the other side. So for yourself, you can just turn the other way rather than turning your whole body. And we'll do the other thing on this side. Ready? Let's bring that leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Giving that leg a bit of a break. And let's do it. So circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, so the next one is the fire hydrant. So for that one, we're on all fours and bringing our leg up. If you want, you can do this one standing as well off the wall, which we did in a previous workout. So the one on the floor we haven't done. So I'll give you a second to get up and get into position. Okay, and let's get on to all fours. Trying to have your head in a straight line with your body, and we're just bringing that leg up and down. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. Coming out of that exercise. So when you're ready, we're going to stand up, and we are just going to finish with some exercises for our legs and shoulders. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Okay, so we're going to work our hamstrings. We're going to do the deadlifts, which we've done many, many times. You know how to do this one now. So finding that weight that works for you, we're going to do it 12 times. When you go down, you're just aiming to feel that stretch in the back of your legs. So let's pick up that weight. I'll just give you a little bit of time to get ready. Okay, let's go. So pressing the hips back, feeling that stretch in the back of your legs, and coming up. That's 1, 2, 3. Remember to squeeze the glutes as you come up. 4, 5, squeeze those glutes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we've got 2 more if you can. 11, and 12. Excellent. Okay, putting that weight down. So we're going to just do some Kegels. We need a bit of time before we get into the next exercise for the squats. Anyway, you can choose to sit down while you do the Kegels or stand. So getting into whatever position works for you. So let's just go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure you're totally releasing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this time we are going to squeeze and hold for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, we are going on to our squats. You can choose to use weights. You're getting stronger now if you want to, but otherwise not. So bringing your hips back, as you know. Everyone ready? We are going to aim for 12 and then we're going to pulse. So we are almost done our workout. Let's go. Going back and up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more if you can. 11, 12. Now this time we are going to pulse. If your legs aren't too sore, we're just going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going up to 10. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come out of that. Your legs might be screaming at you a little bit. Taking some nice deep breaths here. Okay, for the next one we are going to work our shoulders. So we're doing the lateral raise to front raise, making sure your knees are soft and choosing a light weight. I'll give you a little bit more time. Let's just do another set of Kegels here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this time holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you'll notice that doing Kegels and holding is much harder when you're standing than when you're seated. So if you found that really, really difficult, then just do it seated next time. Okay, grabbing onto that light weight. We're going to go out to the side and then forward. Ready? Knees are soft. Let's go out, forward, and down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going up to 10 here. 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Good. Okay, putting that weight back down. Last few, we're just going to do our calf raise. So if you wanted to, you could hold weights and do it. I find it pretty hard to do that without holding on to something. But if you want to, you can always use one weight as well. So let's bring those heels up and back down. So just keep going here. Okay, last one. And now we're just pulsing. So going up and down, stopping when you feel it's too much. And we'll stop there. Good. Okay, we are going to do one more set of squats if you want the extra challenge. If you feel like your legs have already had enough, then just stop there. We've already done a fair bit, and but I wanted to give a bit of a bonus since it is your last day. All right, ready? Let's do this. So going back, 1, 2, taking your time, going to at whatever pace works for you, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Excellent. Okay, that's it. So we are just going to stretch it out and you are done. Okay, so let's bring that leg up, bringing the knees close together or having your leg on the chair if you need to stretch that way, that works too. So over the next several weeks or as you continue on, there are lots of options. You can just do the 5 days, one after the other. If you want to cut down to 3 times a week, you can do 2 leg days and 1 chest day, or you can choose to do 2 leg days and 2 upper body days. Sorry, when I said chest day, I meant upper body day. So there are options on what you can do. The main thing, let's switch to the other leg while I'm talking. The main thing that you want to definitely do strength training at least once a week to maintain what you've gained. So if we've done, I mean, you could do both lower and upper body, so 2 days in a 1-day workout and continue it that way to maintain what you've gained. But if you want to continue to see benefits, then doing it more, working the muscle more than once a week is best. The main thing is the reason I do the lower body 1 day and the upper body the other day is so it allows your body, those muscles to rest and recover. So let's bring 1 foot forward, I'm bringing that leg back. If you have any questions, just send me an email or a comment and I can answer it for you. But I hope that kind of explains the way it works. But I really do hope that you continue with the strength workouts. And switching to the other side. And then let's just press into that back heel, feeling that stretch here. And then switching to the other side. And coming out of that stretch. So if you want to, you can do more stretches in the chair or hold the stretches longer or do some of the stretches that we did the other day on the floor for the legs. All right, thank you so much everyone for joining me over the last 5 weeks. I hope you continue and I wish you all the best. Bye for now.